Hey there, Erin Afner with AfnerWords here. Happy Mindful Monday. I'm back with another Monday mantra. Each week I channel a new mantra based on the collective energy that I'm picking up on, and I write them in first person so you can use them for yourself. I use mantras in my daily practice to help me reprogram my brain and shift my mindset, achieve goals, healing, and manifesting change in my life. So I invite you to try mantras in your life. A good way to do it is in the morning when you first wake up or at night before you go to bed. It's a great way to raise your vibration and really step into the new you that you want to be. So this week's mantra is, the discomfort that I feel with change is okay. I move forward anyway. The discomfort that I feel with change is okay. I move forward anyway. So, you probably noticed that I chopped my hair off. I didn't exactly get what I asked for. It was a pretty terrible hairdresser experience, to be quite honest. I was this close to wearing a hat for today's mantra video. But based on the mantra, I was like, nope, I gotta do it. Because this is some real discomfort with change that I'm feeling. But I'm doing it anyway. I'm rocking this, I'm calling it the Brandon Walsh. If you ever watched 90210, I really feel like this is more like the Brandon Walsh than the Halle Berry pixie that I asked for. But, it is what it is. Hair grows, and I'm going to work with it and do it anyway. So I feel like we're all being faced with a lot of uncomfortable change right now. And we can't let it stop us dead in the water. We can't let it, kind of stunt our growth. We've got to use it as a growth edge and move forward anyway. Take what you can use it for to benefit your life, right? So a lot of these uncomfortable transitions give us an opportunity to look at things in ourselves that where we've been really stubborn and inflexible. And so learning to be more flexible and go with the flow is always a good thing. So, I know my hair example is a little kind of shallow, but at the same time, like, it's nonetheless real. I have been going through a big transformation and change in my life. And I wanted my external self to reflect how different I feel on the inside. So, perhaps my dislike of the new style is that it is so different. And I'm like, I don't like it. I feel like Brandon Walsh. Maybe in a few weeks I won't, though. So once the hair starts to grow and I feel into it a little bit, it might feel good. I'm assuming that it will feel good. It's just this transition. So anyways, thanks for listening to me complain about my hair. Let's get the mantra one more time. The discomfort that I feel with change is okay. I move forward anyway. The discomfort with change that I feel is okay. I will move forward anyway. All right, so thanks for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, I would really appreciate if you subscribe and like this video. If you're watching on social media, I invite you to comment below or like the post, help out the algorithm, help a sister out here. And I hope you're doing well and staying healthy and enjoying this holiday season. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.